tomorrow. Like there's no tomorrow.
Weekend on the night, don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing.
Hey guys, so today we'll be talking about the borders around the officers. So first we will click on the officer tab. And you'll see that Zhang He, he has a yellow goldish border. And for Zhang Fei, he has a bluish border. And for Wang Yanqi, she has a brownish border. They are actually gold, bronze and silver, like in the normal rankings. So you guys will probably be thinking that gold characters are the best ones, right? But it's actually not true, because the gold, silver and bronze only defines the rank of the officer against his elements. What do I mean by that? For Zhang He, he's gold, right? So we'll go to the index and we'll look at his other elements. His fire one is a net 1 and his earth one is a net 2. So making the water Zhang He the strongest. That's why he has the gold border. If you have earth Zhang He, you'll see earth Zhang He, you'll see that he has a silver border, and for the fire one you'll see that he has a bronze border. Let me show you another example. Xiao Qiao, she has a gold border for the fire element, and you see that the fire element is the strongest one despite her natural star. We'll go here. Okay. So for the water, Xiao Qiao, she has 2 stars, and for the fire, Xiao Qiao, she has 3 star, and for earth, she has 1 star. So if you haven't watched my video on natural 4 and 5 stars, you might not know what this means, but I'll show you an example. For example, fire Xiao Qiao. At 3 star level 1, she has 2.8k HP and 244 attack. For Xiao Qiao, if you make her 3 star by pressing the plus button, she has 2.5k HP and 221 attack, which is lower than the fire one. Why is this so? Because each card has its natural base rank. For example, the fire one, you can't press the minus sign because you can never summon a fire Xiao Qiao that is below 3 stars, because that's her natural rank, natural lowest rank. So naturally, if you get a fire Xiao Qiao, she'll be way stronger than the water one, and that's why I summon Zhang He as a 5 star, but I'm now focusing on Zhang Fei, because Zhang Fei, he is a fire element, and even though he has a silver border and Zhang Fei has a gold one, I'll show you that Zhang Fei of a fire element, he's a 4 star natural. 4 star natural is just a jargon used by most gamers. Natural means the base rank of the hero. So if you go to index and you go to Zhang Fei, you'll see why the fire one is only 4 star. Let me guess. So the fire one is a 4 star and he's a silver, and the water one is 3 star. So the earth one is probably 5 star, because if the fire one is a silver, so the gold one has to be a higher rank. And I'm right. So earth Zhang Fei is the strongest one, but that doesn't mean the fire Zhang Fei is weak as well, because the fire Zhang Fei has 4 stars natural, while a golden bordered Zhang He is only 3 star natural. So choose your characters wisely, and don't waste too much of your resources training on one character, because eventually you'll need to use about, say, 12 characters when you get to the war supply area, which I'll talk about on another video. So if you see the current tab here, you can activate 4 teams to take over resources, which is a total of 12 heroes. So make sure you train your heroes evenly, and for now you can train the 12 strongest one, but if you are trying to pass the campaigns, you can keep a few like 5 or 6 for now. And the characters, you have to choose them wisely, because if you choose a net 1 compared to a net 4 or net 5, his base stats is really low, and the base stats will eventually affect the maximum stats. Yeah, so that's all for today's video, and I hope you find it useful. Remember not to jump in the conclusion that you summon a bad hero based on the border. Always go to the index to check. Yeah, the index is on the sidebar here. Yeah. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you very much for watching, and if you find this video useful, please press the like button. Yeah. And if you have any comments and questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you very much. Bye.